Before you can use Anthropic's Claude AI tool in Transana, you must sign up for an API key with Anthropic. Anthropic charges for the use of Claude and handles billing through this API platform account, which may be different than the Claude user account that you already have. The first step is to browse to the Anthropic website by going to Claude.ai and choosing the platform menu and the console login item. Enter your email address to start the process of creating an account or signing in to an existing account. Then complete the two-factor authentication process via email. Once in the Claude console, you can press the button labeled Get API Key in the upper right-hand corner, or you can go down to the Manage button in the left-hand menu and select API Keys. Press the button in the upper right-hand corner labeled Create Key and give your API key a name. Then press the Add button. Copy the resulting secret API key and save it somewhere on your computer, as there is no way to retrieve this secret API key once you close the window on the screen. When you get into Transana, you will need this secret API key to access the Claude integration.